Swara, I am going to drop mom at uncle's house.
Why are you taking the car?
We go by car only, no?
I will take the car. I have to go to my friend's place.
Uh, I'll drop mom first, then you can go, or you can go tomorrow.
This car na my father gave me for me, so I don't have to ask for anybody's permission. And you are saying like that? You have got this car with your own money.
What happened? How are you talking to me? We did not ask your father for a car. He gave it to us willingly.
Yeah, so he gave me. I will write this. Why are you taking this with you?
Swara, after marriage, husband and wife become one. What's mine is yours, and what's yours is mine.
There is nothing like that. Car belongs to me, so I'll take the car. It's over now.
Here are your car keys. If I touch these keys after today, then you can tell me.
What values your parents have given you after marriage? There is no your and my between husband and wife. It's ours only. No need to tell me anything. My family had given me so good values. They have taught me well. If they would have taught you well, so you would be knowing how to talk to elders. I know this car belongs to you, but Sanju has all right on this. Okay, Sanju has right, but you don't have right on this now. So I am not driving this car, na? You are sitting and then going. Okay, so what do you want? I should not sit in this car? See, daughter-in-law, if this home is yours, this is mine as well. You were so much cultured before marriage. If I would be knowing that you are like this, I wouldn't have got my son married to you. Forget about my family. Have you given your daughter good values? Yes, I have given. That's why she is happy at her home. Will I make you remember what kind of values you were giving her 2 days back?
What are you saying this?
Let me explain. Hey daughter, why did you went from cab? You should have taken our car. Sagar took that car. Father wanted to go to village, that's why he took it. So they should have gone from cab. That car we gave for you. What was the benefit to give you that car if you have to go from cab only? But mom, it was important for him to go to village, and even having a car, why they will travel from cab? They were two people and distance was so much. I had to go nearby. What's wrong? What's wrong? See, the things you have, na, keep them for you. No need to give them to others. And from now, if they will ask for car, refuse them directly. How can I refuse them, mom? I'm telling you, na, refuse them directly. And if you will listen to me, you will be happy. Okay. Fine. You were giving so good lessons to your daughter. Now what happened when it came to you?
Mom, the advice you are giving her will ruin her home. And when you are giving such advice to your daughter, then whatever Swara is doing is absolutely right.
Sanju, I'm sorry. I didn't want to do all this. But it is so much important to realize mother-in-law. Whatever she's doing, it's not right. And sister is so intelligent that she's not listening to her. Otherwise, because of her, her home would have broken already.
Mom, she is married now. So let her adjust to her home and live her life according to her. You don't need to interfere in her household matters.
Hey, okay, fine. I won't do this from now. Mother-in-law, I didn't want to hurt you. Just wanted to make you realize that whatever you were doing, it's not right. I don't want to go anywhere.
Let's go.